Hello, my friend. My name is Mr. Ben, and I'm so excited to welcome you in this course. I promise you, it's going to be a lovely ride together. There are things I want you to understand before the course begins, and I believe you need to take care of these things. You need to know these things to help you enjoy the course. First is understanding the capabilities of Python programming language. Now, Python programming language is such a powerful programming language, and you get to know all about that as you progress in your course or in your career as a Python programmer. However, I need you to understand that Python can be used in areas like data science, web application, web automation. You can make your browsers work even if you're not there. You can make them do things. You can develop a software that visits YouTube, for example, and then watch people's video, even comment on people's video without you being there. That's called web automation. Softwares that can write tweets for you and even like tweets. This is called web automation. You're not there, just write the software and then tell it what to do and when to do it. So Python is that cool. Yeah. Python can be used for web scraping. You can go through website and collect information, whatever information you're looking for, especially for making decisions, or for designing a product, or for even running an advert. Web scraping is it's just cool there. It's one of the biggest ways excuse me, freelancers make money online. Okay, Python can be used for robotics, artificial intelligence, even blockchain. Python can be used for machine learning, and Python undoubtedly is the number one programming language for cybersecurity experts. Most guys in cybersecurity just are in love with Python programming language because of how easy, and not just how easy, but how powerful it is to be deployed in the space of cybersecurity. So that is that. Now, the next thing is decide your interest before starting. Don't just say, I want to be a programmer. How? What do you want to deploy your skills in? So it's better to decide, I want to be a data analysis using Python programming language, or I want to be a cybersecurity expert using Python programming language, or I want to be a web programmer using Python programming language, or I want to be a web automation expert using. So decide what you want to, or you want to go into blockchain using Python programming language. Decide what you want before starting. It gives you focus. It keeps you from being distracted. Of course, along the process of learning, or even after learning your career as a programmer, you could choose to switch into something else. But basically, you have a focus from the start that will help you to learn fast. Then the next thing I want you to understand is that you must make plans to code every day. As a student, as my student, or anybody else student, you must write code every day. Even if it is repeating a code you already know or something you already know very well, you must write code every day, especially as a student. I suggest dedicate 1 hour at least. Normally, you should code 2 to 3 hours every day. That is, if you want to finish this course in 4 to 6 weeks, you should be able to code 2 to 3 hours every day. And I can guarantee you, you might even be done before the 6th week. Most likely. But then you must write code. If for some reasons you don't have chance, you don't have time, you are busy, make at least 1 hour to write your code, to practice code every day. That being said, the next thing I want to talk about, if you really want to benefit from this course, and not just benefiting from this course, you want to be good, pick simple projects to try your skills while you learn. There are a lot of simple projects in the course of the course rather. I'll be suggesting few. However, when you search on Google, there are a lot of them you can pick, and then most of them even have videos explaining how to do that. But I wouldn't want you to watch those videos. I want you to try them out yourself. Then when you are stuck, as a last resort, you can now check on how to do stuff like that. That is the best way to learn. And then last is you must join a group. There are a lot of groups there on Facebook, even platforms like Quora. Okay, there are interest groups you could join to help you and motivate you. Even though I'll also be doing the motivation too while we learn here, but you must join other groups. It will help you learn things I missed to tell you. Of course, I don't know everything myself, so you get to learn from your friends who are on the same level with you and some who are higher than you, and that's how we learn basically. So again, I am so excited. I'm super excited to be walking through this road in the next 4 to 6 weeks with you. Now, please, if you're watching this on YouTube, I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Also, like it and share this video so that other persons might benefit from it too. Thank you and see you in the next video. All right.